certainly he did so many concerts of popular Yiddish songs, you know, the things like Eufen Pripachik and Wieglied and various other things, which, you know, were the exemplifications of Mamelosh with Sidor Belarsky.
Yes.
Those recitals I remember well, and of course then in much later time, the Leon Lischner thing, which was, with Lischner, see, the difference was with Lischner, my father could really count on Lischner understanding his position, and so they behaved as truly equal colleagues. With Sidor Belarsky was sort of the Jewish Bing Crosby. He was a star, and you know, if you're going to do something with Sidor Belarsky, you got to do it his way.
Mm-hmm.
As Frank Sinatra, you don't say, Frank, you know, this is, you know, you got to do this different. You got to sing, you know, you have to sing this Bach aria. Never mind it. So, and so he would often do all these things with Sidor, and occasionally they would throw in something a little bit more, what my father would consider refined. At recitals, had a habit, actually it was a nervous habit, of clearing his throat, blowing his nose before concerts, but on stage. And the Yiddish word for clearing your throat like that is called chraken. It's an onomatopoetic word. It's probably Polish. I mean, chraket, you know. So my father and Sidor were doing a recital at Town Hall in New York. Papa says, you know, Sidor, it's Town Hall. Don't chrake. Don't worry. So they got out on stage, and Sidor takes out the handkerchief, and he begins to make, and then he goes around the back of the piano, and you very subtly, he comes back around, gets ready to sing, and my father beckons him. So Sidor comes around, he says, "What is it, Weiner? I didn't crack it." He says, "No, but your fly is open."